I'm sorry. That feels nice. Thank you. Stop it. I don't want you to do that anymore. Because whenever I want you to do that, you just don't do it. And I don't know when you're going to do it again.
Listen very closely, because this is the most important thing that you'll ever hear, you'll ever say. I am a great woman.
It's just for you. It's just
I like giving compliments. I like getting them too. Thank you for saying thank you.
That's it. You don't do anything. You are absolutely fucking worthless.
Join me.